Last week, opening ng Quezon City Athletic Association Season 3 ng QCAA.
Ako ang sports head ng Quezon City and sila Jordan, sila Lemuel approached me 2 or 3 years ago at sinimulan namin, we started coordinating and ito na, ikatlong taon na at may mga na-produce ng mga champions ang Quezon City and hopefully maging tanyag pa ang Quezon City pagdating sa larangan ng sports.
Ang opening ceremony at opening games ay ginawa sa Henry Noble Gym sa Trinity University of Asia.
Ano po ba itong QCAA?
QCAA actually is a tournament of basketball and volleyball. This league is already on our 3rd season and we are doing events like basketball and volleyball for both the elementary, high school, girls and boys. And we are now on the 3rd season with about 37 participating private schools, elementary and high schools.
Madami mang mga liga sa basketball ang nagsulputan, meron pa ring iba sa QCAA.
Anong pagkakaiba ng QCAA?
Actually, QCAA is like the UAAP and NCAA of high school and elementary students. Wala kasi masyadong liga na maganda na napapaglaruan ng mga private schools, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa high school at saka elementary. Some of these schools would have to go to San Juan, minsan iba sa Parañaque, sa Sucat. So we decided to make our own league in Quezon City. And making it different is because ang dinidevelop namin dito are coming from the grassroots level. We are developing aspiring athletes from an early age. And we are hoping that we can develop athletes that we can provide to the colleges pagkatapos ng graduation ng mga atleta natin.
Nakapag-produce na rin ang 3-year-old league ng mga future basketball star.
No first season, we had Clark Bautista of UST now and Chris De Chavez of Ateneo sa UAAP Seniors and Carlo Gomez of UP Fighting Maroons. Part sila ng isang mythical team sa QCAA. Ganon lakas ng batch nila. Last year, we have BJ Luzo is now with Letran, Carlo Dorian now with Adamson Team B. We have our MVP Romeo Belisilio with UST sa Team B. Sa girls, we have Ivy Gail Amador from Angelicum now playing for De La Salle. We have Rowena Tan of Jubilee now playing for Saint Scholastica in the WNCAA. And actually may na-expect pa kami kasi I just got an email from the LSU that they will scout games and they're already eyeing some talents for next year for the seniors ranks.
Elementary pa lang hanggang high school, hinuhubog na agad ng QCAA para maging mahuhusay ng mga manlalaro.
Ganito yun, year 1, 9 teams lang tayo. Then season 2, 25. Ngayon, 37 schools participation na ngayon. So talagang lumalaki. Kasi ang idea natin dito, QCAA may nararating, tapos, and also, sariling liga para sa eskwelahan ng mga taga-QC. High school level tayo. Parang grassroots level to. This is our advocacy ng grupo. Na, you know, na pwedeng ibigay, mga bata rito high school na may mararating. Saka meron na talagang naging player ng UAP. May napunta sa UP, like Carlo Gomez, and also sa UST, si Clark Bautista. Ngayon, naglalaro pa rin sa UAP. We intend to add more participation. Parang this will be a prime league ng QC na talagang dito magpapamalaki na out of 450 schools, ito pa lang ang sumasali sa Quezon City. We plan to add more division like, for example, lawn tennis, ping pong, badminton, besides this basketball and volleyball leagues.
Hindi lang mga kalalakihan, pati mga kababaihan, everybody has changed.
Malaking bagay yun, no? Sabi ko nga, sa youngsters na sabi mo, lalaki, babae, bata pa sila. From, kumbaga, 3rd season na nag-QCAA, itong sa area ng Quezon City, hoping na itong mga bata lumaki ng, sabi natin, napalayo sa mga drugs, no? Go to ito sports rather than something na sabihin na natin makakasira like drugs.
Isang magandang basketball league ang QCAA. Panoorin at abangan ang mga aksyon dito lang sa UNTV at sa Barangay Hoopsters.
UNTV, di ba, sa Quezon City? Di ba? Nasa EDSA. Ang QCAA, Quezon City. So lahat tayo talaga Quezon City, magsama-sama, magtulungan para sa development, ikaganda, ikauunlad, at parang mga future superstars ng liga. Nandito na sa atin eh. Marami talaga makikita.
Note kayo ng QCAA Season 3. We play only on weekends and holidays. We use 2 venues. After this, we will use Tivoli Royal Country Club and the Diliman Preparatory School Gym. Simultaneous yan because we have 157 elimination games. So, and of course, lahat ng highlights mapapanood nyo lang dito sa UNTV.